Alright, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crutcher. I'm going to go over review problem set number 2 for the quiz coming up here. On the first problem, if I multiply these, the middle goes away, and I have an I squared there, which turns it into plus 7 down at the end. And I write this twice and FOIL it, put everything together. That's what I have. On the next one, we're solving it. I can factor from here, Make sure you see this as a minus right there when I factor out a negative 2. This factor comes up, and this can be factored into plus root 2, minus root 2, and there's my solutions. On these problems, you have to write it out this way and that way. On number 3, just some factoring here. Negative 8 and positive 3 give me negative 24, and the insides and the outsides give me negative 5 in the middle. My solutions. This factors this way, this factors this way, and I have two sets of solutions. Both have radicals, one is imaginary. On 4, I have this root here, which makes it plus 2i, negative 2i. Remember, these always come in pairs, and these are already listed as pairs, so they're here. When you FOIL this one, you will not have a middle. It will be a minus 2 times 2 is 4, root 3 times root 3 is root 9. That will end up changing into 12 there. We have this here, and now if we FOIL this one, we have these 4 terms, and the 2 in the middle combine. Don't forget you can have a value out there. I just set it equal to 1, so it doesn't change. On number 5, the discriminant, just the part under the radical, is b squared minus 4ac, turns into 81. 2 real roots. Number 6, simplify this. Right, the directions say write in standard form, which means put it as a plus bi. So the work we have to do here is multiply by the conjugate. Simplifies down there. On the back, solving this equation gives us, I can factor out an x, and then I'm left with this. Can't factor that, so I use a quadratic formula. Have my two answers, and watch how I write it. X minus the positive version, x minus the negative version. That's going to simplify there because I have a minus here and a minus there, and a minus there and a minus there. It turns that I to plus right there. On number 8, we have 3 vectors, 1, 2, and 3. Think about it as here's the plane, and then that vector pushes it that way, and then that vector pushes it that way. So if the plane's going this way, but these are both the 2 wind vectors, it will shift the plane down to there. You can just add them together and get that. Alright, hope this helps with your review problems.